Welcome back to our series on the top 10 foods for amazing health benefits. We're thrilled to have you join us again as we continue to explore the incredible world of nutrition and its impact on our health. Before we dive into today's content, we'd like to take a moment to ask for your support. By following our channel, you're not only staying up to date with our latest videos, but you're also playing a crucial role in helping us create more health-focused content. Your support allows us to continue our mission of providing valuable, science-backed information to you and everyone else who needs it. We believe that knowledge is power, especially when it comes to our health. That's why we're committed to bringing you the most accurate, up-to-date information on a wide range of health topics. From dietary advice to lifestyle tips, we're here to help you navigate your health journey with confidence. Now, let's get started with today's topic. We're excited to share more about the incredible health benefits of our top 10 foods. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. Number 6 is the Greek yogurt, because Greek yogurt is a nutritious food that offers a range of health benefits, particularly for older individuals. Let's explore why it is considered healthy, the vitamins it contains, and the diseases it can help prevent in older adults. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein and calcium. Protein is essential for maintaining muscle mass, strength, and function, which becomes crucial as people age and may experience muscle loss. Calcium is vital for maintaining strong bones and reducing the risk of osteoporosis, a condition more common in older adults. It also contains probiotics, which are beneficial live bacteria that support gut health. These probiotics help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, aiding in digestion and supporting the immune system. A healthy gut can also contribute to overall well-being and reduce the risk of gastrointestinal issues. It's a good source of vitamin B12, a nutrient that becomes important with age as its absorption may decline. Adequate vitamin B12 intake is crucial for nerve health, DNA synthesis, and red blood cell production. We also advise you to eat some avocados. They are a delicious and nutrient-rich fruit that offers numerous health benefits, especially for older individuals. Let's explain you why they are considered healthy. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. These healthy fats can help reduce bad cholesterol levels, LDL, and increase good cholesterol levels, HDL, promoting heart health and reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that supports the immune system and helps protect against oxidative stress. Vitamin E also acts as an antioxidant and supports skin health. Vitamin K is vital for blood clotting and bone health. Folate, vitamin B9, is essential for DNA synthesis and red blood cell production. All these vitamins can you find in avocados. Despite being calorie-dense, avocados' monounsaturated fats can promote satiety and reduce hunger, potentially supporting weight management efforts in older individuals. Avocados contain carotenoids, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health and may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. The combination of antioxidants and healthy fats in avocados may contribute to improved cognitive function and may help reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Please don't forget to subscribe. We want to keep you healthy and share all our knowledge with you. So please subscribe so we can make more movies for you and provide you with the right knowledge. Now let's go further with number 8. The beans and legumes. They are nutrient-dense foods that offer a range of health benefits. Beans and legumes are rich in dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. The fiber content slows down the absorption of carbohydrates, leading to better blood sugar control and reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. This is particularly important for older adults, as they may be more susceptible to blood sugar fluctuations. The fiber and protein in beans and legumes can promote satiety and reduce overall calorie intake, supporting weight management efforts, especially as metabolism tends to slow down with age. They are a good sources of iron, a mineral essential for producing hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells responsible for transporting oxygen throughout the body. Adequate iron intake supports energy levels and helps prevent anemia, which is more common in older individuals. Beans and legumes are a good source of minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which are important for maintaining strong bones and reducing the risk of osteoporosis in older adults. Number 9 is turmeric. It is a very special one because it has active compound curcumin, is a spice that has been recognized for its potential. Curcumin is the primary bioactive compound in turmeric and is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It has been studied extensively for its potential to reduce symptoms of arthritis and improve joint flexibility, providing relief for those suffering from age-related joint issues. The powerful antioxidants that can neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, protecting cells from oxidative damage. The antioxidant capacity of curcumin may support overall immune function and reduce the risk of chronic diseases associated with aging. Chronic inflammation is linked to various age-related diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory effects may help combat inflammation and contribute to better overall health. Turmeric has been traditionally used as a digestive aid and can help soothe the digestive system. For older individuals who may experience digestive issues, turmeric can be beneficial in promoting better digestion. Some studies suggest that curcumin may have potential in supporting brain health and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease, which becomes more prevalent in older age. Preliminary research suggests that curcumin may have anti-cancer properties, potentially inhibiting the growth and spread of cancer cells. It may be beneficial in reducing the risk of certain types of cancer that are more common in older adults. Okay, maybe it isn't food, but this is also very important for your health. Did you know our body exists for 65% out of water? So yes, water is one of the most vital substances for the human body, and staying hydrated offers numerous benefits. Water is essential for maintaining proper hydration, which is crucial for overall bodily functions. It helps regulate body temperature, lubricate joints, and transport nutrients and waste throughout the body. Good hydration is essential for maintaining healthy and radiant skin. Water helps keep the skin moisturized, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and promoting a youthful complexion. It is also essential for supporting kidney function. The kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste and toxins from the blood, and staying hydrated ensures that they can perform their function optimally. It aids in the digestion and absorption of nutrients from the food we eat. It helps break down food and carries nutrients to cells, supporting overall nourishment and well-being. Dehydration can lead to feelings of fatigue and decreased energy levels. Proper hydration helps maintain energy and vitality, allowing older individuals to stay active and engaged in daily activities. Some studies suggest that adequate water intake may contribute to better heart health by reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Thank you so much for choosing our channel and spending your valuable time with us. We truly appreciate your support and hope that we've provided you with the information you were looking for. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to follow our channel to stay updated on all our latest videos. We're committed to delivering valuable content on various health topics, and we'd love to hear your suggestions in the comments for topics you'd like us to cover. We promise to respond with informative and helpful content. This was just the last part of our series on the top 10 fruits you should be eating for optimal health. We have so many other videos for you, and we are making many more, so stay tuned and check out our channel. To stay connected and receive more helpful content, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to create more videos and continue helping you achieve your health and wellness goals. Once again, thank you for being a part of our community. We value your presence and look forward to sharing more valuable insights with you. Together, let's strive for a healthier and happier journey through life. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.